So my wife is taking bread baking classes and she wants a cutting board. She wants to use these cutting boards more specifically. These are IKEA cutting boards that we've had for a while. This one is bamboo. This one, I'm not sure what this wood is. You can see this side's been used a little bit. And this side has a juice groove. This one, it's bamboo, but I think the way it's made, I don't think the core is bamboo, but the outside is bamboo. And this one has a juice groove as well. But she wants me to glue the two together like that and put feet on the bottom so it doesn't move on our granite countertop. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is only gonna be temporary. Eventually I'm gonna make her a nice cutting board. But for now, I'm gonna glue two IKEA cutting boards together. So stick around. How am I gonna do this? So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand both surfaces to 80 grit. The bamboo is a little smoother than whatever this wood is. I'm gonna sand them to about 80 grit. And then I'm gonna smear the glue around and sandwich them together. Some weights, some other things to smash them together. This one's got a little bit of a curve in it. I'm hoping the weights and stuff will press it down enough. This is again only temporary until I can make her a better one. So we'll do that and then we'll trim the edges. We'll clean the outside up, make it look nice, sand it, put some food safe finish on and put the feet on. The first step is doing some sanding. So let me get that stuff together. so I did a little belt sanding as well. Took a chip out of this piece right here. It was already cracked. So I think there's no really good way to repair that if she's going to be using this for whatever she's going to use it for besides bread. And there's a knot right here. So I think I'm going to cut this off on this side of that. And then I wasn't paying attention with the planer, and I gouged the sides pretty good. So I'm going to make them I want to make it a little shorter, a little narrower, but I think I have a way to fix taking off some of the length here. So let's take this over to the table saw and get this cut down. Remember how I told you that the bamboo one was probably not solid bamboo? Let me see if you can see this. There we go. It's still bamboo, but it's not solid. Look at that. At least now we know. All right, let's get the rest of this cleaned up here. So these are cutoffs from just a local lumber seller that I have here. So the cutting board is 1 inch and 9/16, and this is 1 inch and 7/8. So this will be perfect, and it's going to be long enough. So I'll use this piece instead. I think I'm going to cut inch thick pieces, and then I'm going to have to plane them down to get them smooth to glue onto the sides here. I think that's going to be the best bet. looks great. Last thing we're gonna do is put some non-skid feet on it, and we can call this project done. Go surprise the wifey with it. Gonna do the bamboo side down. Ready, baby? Say hi to the people.
I don't want to say hi to the people.
Okay. Oliver is excited.
Come here, let's look.
Our dog is excited.
All right, let's look.
All right, you ready?
Ta-da-ta-da.
Here we go.
Listen, Oliver. Look how beautiful. Oliver, give it your sniff of approval. Yay.
What do you think?
Gorgeous.
Yeah?
Very nice.
Yeah, you happy with it?
Very happy.
Temporary until I make you an actual one that's not made from two Frankenstein IKEA boards.
No, I like this.
You like it?
You're gonna make me a little one for it's easier to clean.
Oh, okay.
I'm still using that.
Okay. And there's got the no slide things apparently, but I guess they move a little bit. But not as much as they were without them, so.
No, it's great.
Okay. You're happy, I'm happy.